the traditional 9-to-5 office job is swiftly fading into history. Recent studies state that 12.7% of full-time employees currently entirely work from home, while an extra 28.2% adopt a hybrid model. Engage your team members in the evaluation process, collect their insights, and select a solution that is in harmony with your organization's overarching goals and objectives. The global epidemic has sped the transition to remote work employment, but the trend is still gaining steam. Upwork assumes that 36.2 million people will work from home by 2025. Remote work has clear advantages like flexibility and a better balance between work and life, but it also brings new challenges for both workers and managers. Working together is essential for uniting your team and improving how much you get done. In a busy work environment, everyone on the team relies on each other to do well, but they shouldn't have to work harder to make this happen. The best remote work software fits your needs and makes your work easier, giving you many ways to simplify your tasks. As businesses grow, the need for good remote work tools keeps rising. Predictions show that the collaboration software market will grow by 1.7% each year from 2024 to 2029, reaching about $16.67 billion by 2029. Good news, they created updated software to deal with these problems directly. Improving work processes and using the right software can be important for getting the most out of your remote team. How software systems help remote teams succeed. Working from home has brought many benefits, like more flexibility and less time spent traveling to work. It is essential to understand the different challenges that come with managing a team that works from various places. Obstacles to effective communication. In contrast to in-office teams, remote employees frequently depend on digital communication channels. This may result in misunderstandings, delays, and an overall feeling of disconnection. Misunderstanding the tone of an email or overlooking subtle nonverbal cues during a video call can quickly disrupt projects and impede collaboration. Challenges related to productivity and visibility. Managers frequently find it challenging to monitor the productivity of remote employees. In the absence of the opportunity to directly monitor their team members' efforts, it is natural to feel concerned about the timely completion of tasks and their adherence to the expected quality. The absence of clarity can lead to avoidable tension among team members. Developers craft software solutions for remote teams to address these challenges directly. These tools help remote teams work together easily, no matter how far apart they are. They provide one place for talking, working as a team, and keeping track of projects. Essential aspects to consider when overseeing your remote team. 1. Flexibility. Make certain the tool adjusts to your workflow and provides access through an app, browser, or mobile device. 2. Integrations. Robust integrations enhance your workflow by linking with your preferred applications. 3. Personalization. Tailored dashboards, reports, and templates designed to meet your unique requirements. 4. File sharing. The capacity to utilize and exchange files, engage in communication, and collaborate on a global scale. 5. Mobile access. A mobile application designed for productivity while on the move. 6. Work management. Enhanced features that align with organizational objectives and priorities. 7. Security. Strong security and privacy features for cloud-based workspaces. Selecting the appropriate software for your remote team. When assessing software solutions for managing remote workforce, it is essential to take into account your team's unique needs and priorities. Considerations such as team size, industry, budget, systems integration, and preferred communication styles should all influence your decision. Best collaboration software to consider: eShare.ai's cloud sharing solutions, ideal for businesses aiming to streamline collaboration and automate processes effortlessly. eShare.ai recognizes that working together easily is essential, and its cloud sharing tools provide features to help with problems caused by being far apart. eShare.ai helps teams use the cloud to access, share, and work together on documents and projects instantly, no matter where they are. 1. Accessible anytime and anywhere. eShare.ai's cloud platform enables easy access to files and data from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether in the office, working from home, or traveling for business, eshare.ai ensures that collaboration is not restricted by location. 2. Seamless file sharing. Share files easily with anyone inside or outside your organization. Set access permissions to control who can view, edit, or download your files. Track version history is available to see who made changes and when. 3. Built-in communication. Eliminate the need to switch between apps. Team members can chat with each other in real time, ask questions, provide feedback, and make decisions collaboratively without interrupting their workflow. eShare.ai Collab Suite unique benefits. 1. Holistic file management includes advanced search, favorites management, and a tagging system. 2. Enhanced cloud data security features include customizable sharing choices with expiration dates and password protection. 3. Unified integration. Manage large files from multiple external storage transfer providers using a single platform. 4. Real-time collaboration. Built-in chat allows for the free sending of large files from anywhere online and is helpful for seamless conversation and feedback. 5. Detailed activity logs. Complete tracking and commenting on shared things. 6. Efficient contact management system. Contact lists tend to be easy to find, organized in one place, and might seem imported without trouble. 7. Dynamic scheduling includes customizable calendar views, shared events, and external calendar subscriptions. 8. Organized task activity tracking. Use a sophisticated task management system to stay on top of your to-do list. If you're not sure yet, that's okay. You can begin with a free trial or a basic plan to try out eShare.ai features and see how it works before you decide to pay for a subscription. There are many remote team software options for 2025, so it's essential to know the main features that can help your remote workforce together better. Choose the right tools to solve the problems of remote work, helping your team to be more productive, work together, and stay involved.